Yo, what is going on everyone, and welcome back to another video here on the channel. And I hope you all did have a great Christmas and New Year. And now we've sort of entered a quiet period for theme parks because obviously we know that they are all closed until March. However, we've got news flooding in all the time over closed season about new attractions and new sort of areas, everything new coming to theme parks. That always gets released during closed season. So even though it's a very quiet time, it is also a very exciting time as well. Now in this video, I thought we'd talk about Blackpool Pleasure Beach, because we do know that there's been a lot of things happening with Pleasure Beach over the last year or so, and we could potentially quite see Blackpool Pleasure Beach dominate in the next coming years. Now I say that because a lot has been happening at Blackpool Pleasure Beach, starting with the removal of the Grand Prix. So we do know that the Grand Prix took up a massive footprint. Now we're more than likely going to see a roller coaster go into that area, which leaves everyone very excited to see what could actually go into there, because like I said, it's a huge footprint. They could do a lot, and Blackpool Pleasure Beach haven't really had sort of like a major attraction for a while. I mean, we did see the opening of, or should I say the reopening of Valhalla, but sort of a new attraction we've not seen for some time, like a big attraction. So it's going to be exciting to see what Blackpool Pleasure Beach come up with to go into the Grand Prix area. But talking about things that have been 100% confirmed, Ice Blast, we do know that that was closed for the whole of last season, and it is going to be reopening. We didn't know if it was going to be removed completely and replaced with something else, but a lot of work has been taking place on Ice Blast. But yes, the SNS Drop Tower is coming back, and coming back with a retheme and huge overhaul. So the retheme of Ice Blast is going to be Space, and the new name for Ice Blast is Launchpad. And not so long ago, Blackpool Pleasure Beach did release a promotional video for Launchpad, and well, let's put it in now and take a look at this. This is going to open up in 2025, so this next coming season, and I'll just read a couple of things that you can expect with this whole new reimagined Ice Blast into Launchpad. So it says, new for 2025 season, this ride is being reimagined and rethemed and will reopen under the name Launchpad. As well as the new theming and branding, the ride has received a brand new pressure cylinder, which will transform the current ride experience and thrust riders with more force than they've ever experienced in recent years. We do know that the whole system has been changed, and we're going to see a whole new different ride experience, as well as obviously the rename and retheme of the ride. So this is very exciting to see where Blackpool Pleasure Beach are going to end up in the next coming years, but that is why I say, will they dominate in 2025? Because obviously we've got this new ride experience, and we could see an announcement very soon to whatever is going to be replacing the Grand Prix. Let me know what you all think of Launchpad, and let me know what you think what could come in the Grand Prix area, because like I said, it is a huge footprint and they could put something truly amazing in that space. But as always, if you did all enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and thank you all so very much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.